are going to carve a maxillary canine, so first of all we'll mark the cervical incisor length, which is 10 mm, and on the four sides of the block. Now we'll mark the root length, which is 17 mm. Now we'll join all the points. Now we'll mark the labial side, lingual side, and the proximal sides. Now we'll mark the midline on the labial surface. And we'll divide the crown into thirds. Now we'll transfer the mesiodistal measurement, which is 7.5 on the incisal third and 5.5 on the cervical line. Now we'll join the points to make a trapezoidal shape, and we'll carve the excess. Now we have achieved the trapezoidal shape. We'll mark the contact points, both mesial and distal, and we'll mark it slight occlusally. So the distal contact point will be on the junction of incisal and middle third, and the mesial contact point will be on the middle of incisal third. And we'll carve the excess. We have marked the contact points, and now we'll mark a midline on the proximal aspect. Now we'll transfer the labial marking on the crown. Hence the incisor, which is slightly labially shifted, will take 2 mm from the midline towards the labial side. Then we will carve the labial side. After carving the labial surface, the next step is to mark the faint line up to the middle one-third that will demarcate the labial ridge. Now we'll carve in this manner to make a prominent labial ridge. Thus, now we'll remove the excess from the lingual aspect, keeping the cusp ridge thick. We will also make the labor concavity having a prominent rhythm from the lingual aspect. After this, the next step is the cross reduction of tooth. The root is reduced grossly. Now we'll do the lingual conversion. Now we'll round off all the line angles of crown and root. After rounding off the furnace, now we'll watch a cervical line. After marking the cervical line or on the aspect, now we'll make the lingual fossa, which is divided by the lingual ridge into mesial and distal lingual fossa. After making the lingual fossa, now we'll round off the distal incisal angle and mesial incisal angle. The distal incisal angle is more round as compared to mesial incisal angle. Now we'll make a small concavity or the mesiocuspal slit. Now in the last, we'll carve the developmental depressions over the root surface.